Hello everyone and welcome to another hotel tour, this time at Harrah at Lake Tahoe. In we go. And this is a pretty decent sized room. And starting with the main area. This is a king size room. You got a bench in front of the bed, a nice photo displayed over the bed, of course your two lamps, a decent flat screen TV, ice holder, working station, comfortable couch to relax, and coffee table. Full-size mirror, of course phone. Now the overview of the room from this angle. Didn't bother showing the views since this room didn't have a good view. The room does feel kind of small, but still good enough to stay at. Now making our way to the best part. And the reason it's the best part because it not just comes with one bathroom, but it comes with two. And starting at the left one, of course you got your body towels, hand towels, comes with a bathtub, floor mat, and shower, curtain, plenty of lighting. A little more close up. One sink. And plenty of room in the sink area to get ready. Napkins, of course. Shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, body soap, and you have your hand soap. Also for facial soap. And then walking towards the walk-in closet, pretty big closet, blow dryer if needed, iron board, iron, extra pillow, looks like an extra blanket, plenty of hangers. Now to the second bathroom. Not as much sink room as the other one, but comes with your typical conditioner, body lotion, shampoo, soaps, another floor mat. I do prefer this shower since it comes with a glass door instead of curtains, and it comes with more body towels. And going back real quick, since we didn't show the mini fridge, but it comes with the mini fridge. Perfect for storing water, leftover food. And there you have it. This is the Harrah at Lake Tahoe. Hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. See you next time.